Hey guys, so this is my 52-inch Harbor Breeze Builder's Best ceiling fan. This fan is from the master bedroom at my house. It's now lynstead. And this is a bad capacitor one. And I already have a new capacitor in, well no, not in, but I have a new capacitor in the bag. Right now it's an old capacitor. I just found it out. This fan does have a bad capacitor because it has two burnt holes in there. I'm gonna show y'all a clip of it. Yeah, that capacitor has like two burnt holes. One on the top right corner and one on the left, almost top left corner, but nearly the top left, nearly is the biggest. It has burnt holes, two burnt holes in it. That's why it's going really slow. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate this fan. Here's the light. This fan came with two LED bulbs, but when we took it down, we used it for somewhere else, and they both went out, so I put two brand new ones in there. Yeah, the light works. Here's low. It is pretty slow fan due to the capacitor. That's bad. The chains is not original to the fan. It came from the other brush knuckle Builder's Best from the game room. And the fan didn't came with any chains on it. It came with nothing on the chain. Well, nothing, stuff. What am I talking about? Well, the stuff that's on the chain didn't have anything on it. It just came with strings, just the ball things. That's what it came. On that other brush nickel Builder's Best, we put like baseball and football chains on it. So I put these on this one because it looks similar. It looks the same. It has the Harbor Breeze pull chain, the black nickel Harbor Breeze pull chain on the light, and the Builder's Best pull chain on the fan. It doesn't say Harbor Breeze, it just says Builder's Best. Yeah, that's low. This is slow speed. Because it's pretty slow, low speed. Here's medium, but I'm gonna put it on the high speed because medium speed is faster than high speed. This is what high speed looks like. This fan used to wobble a lot because the downrod is a little loose from the screw, but it's tightened so it doesn't wobble anymore. That's high speed right there. This is what high speed looks like, but it looks like a medium speed, and high speed is slower than medium speed, so I just put it like that. I can feel just a little breeze from it. put it on medium now. It does kind of hum just a tiny bit, just a little bit. It hums a little bit. When I pull the chain to that speed, just now, one of the rubber / plastic thing went away. Probably went up somewhere. Yep, I remember this fan being on the speed. And it's the same speed, just like when it was in the master bedroom. This is medium speed, and this is the highest speed. It's just a lot like low speed, but this is the highest speed. Here's the light. My mom runs this 24/7, and when we walked through the house, when I first walked through this house, I tried to turn it on, but it didn't because I didn't pull it that hard. And then the next time I came, I pulled it a little hard, and it's slow, and it's already had a back capacitor. When this is the second time when I walked through this house. That rubber thing is up there, and it's really hard to pull. So yeah, that's my 52-inch Hubblebee's Builder's Best bag capacitor ceiling fan. And I will replace this capacitor soon. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. See you guys soon. Goodbye.